Masyado malaki to? Okay. Ay! God! Oh! Sandali, God! Oh my God! Oh my gosh! Really, guys. Okay. Okay, ang next is flat. Okay naman. I'm so in love. Love you. Okay, sobrang in love. So, ito ba? So, guys, I learned that you have to tap. Okay, so now it's time to decorate. Teka, wait, wala. Guys, wala kami pang decorate. So, Inday, maggawa ka na lang ng pang-decorate dito. Bilis. Si Inday naman kumakain pa. Okay. So, guys, I'm done frosting the cake. But, guys, sobra kami hindi prepared. Wala akong pang-decorate. So, paano kaya? Wait, mag-improvise na lang kami. Ilalagay ko yung face ni Philip dyan sa cake. So, Inday, gumawa ka kaya ng smiley face. Anong pwede dyan?
Sige po, ma'am.
O sige, bilisan mo. Wait, eto na lang yon. Yung eyes, of course. Pwede itong eyes ni Phil. Okay, eyes. Yan, yung pang nose. Ay, nasaan yung pang smiley face? O, nag-slice ka na ba dyan, Inday?
Ito po, ma'am.
Oh, ang bilis mo mag-slice. Okay, eto, smiley face. Wow, ang cute ni Phil. Okay, yung nose.
Ito po.
Okay, Bartilios to. Okay. Yan, kulang na lang hair. Pingin pang hair ni Phil. Okay, yung natira natin kanina, yung natirang yung carrots. Oh, yan. Okay. So, guys, ayan, may hair pa si Phil. Tsaka talagang carrots talaga siya. Naku, I hope magustuhan ni Phil to for his birthday. Guys, naman, manipis lang yung carrots sa harap lang kasi yun lang manipis din yung hair ni Phil. So, pwede na to. Okay. So, guys, what can you say about my cake? It's so nice. Look, okay, guys, patitikim ko kay Philip, patatry ko sa kanya. So, let's wait for the birthday boy. So, guys, pag nag-open ba ako ng bakery, can I sell this for 10,000 pesos? Oh, guys, di ba ang ganda? Bake by Smile Loudon. So, guys, I'll serve na kay Phil. Bye!